Field sobriety exercises? No.
So do you need somebody to come pick me up?
No, you're going to jail. That's what you're doing. Right? You're going to jail for DUI.
On your back.
You're going to jail.
On July 12, 2025, at 1:01 a.m., a Charlotte County Sheriff's deputy clocked a driver, Jessica, flying at 86 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone, turning a late-night speeding stop into an intense DUI investigation.
Hello, miss. Deputy Vasquez, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I stopped you, 86 on opposed to 55. Any reason for the speed, ma'am?
There's not. I'm sorry.
Driver's license, insurance, vehicle registration, please.
Sorry. I just recently.
Is this your vehicle, ma'am?
This is, yeah.
Okay.
Just getting out of a relationship, so my registration might be with my ex. Sorry, I wasn't meaning to go so fast.
Yeah, are you Jessica?
I am.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Have you had anything to drink or
No.
pills?
No. I just leaving from picking some friends up.
I gotcha.
The only pills I have are prescription.
Prescription to you?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have your license or no?
I thought I did. I'm sorry. I just came out to pick up a few friends. I dropped them off and
Okay. Or how do you take it?
I take it in the morning.
Oh, just in the morning? That's it? All right,
Yep.
Here you go. And you said you're coming from where?
Where I live on the Key, Minnesota Key.
Oh, Minnesota Key?
I work at Lock and Key.
I gotcha. So you don't? Is that gonna be in your wallet maybe, or
I don't carry a wallet.
you just throw it in there?
Yeah.
Usually.
I'm sorry.
But you live in Englewood?
Yeah.
You're going the wrong way.
I know. Well, I was gonna go pick a friend up. I'm sorry.
All right. So where are you headed to now?
I'm going back home.
Going back home? Where does your friend live? Port Charlotte or?
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, I'm Sergeant Gale, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. If you can step back over here with us, please. Just want to explain the ticket to you. Okay?
Nothing. Just drove a few friends home.
Oh, cool. All right. Oh, just step on over here out of the road. I don't want you in the middle of the road. There we go. Did I see you earlier tonight at a traffic stop? Okay.
Nope.
Oh, how are your shoes?
They're in the car.
Were you on the beach today?
I live on the Key.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Because there was a lady who was dressed with I knew she had jeans on. We had another traffic stop where we made an arrest. And a person came up and she was standing like a little bit distance and basically, shirt and pants of yourself. So Deputy Vasquez is finishing up that. So what key? Minnesota Key or?
Minnesota Key. Huh. I work at Lock and Sandbar.
Oh, cool. So where you go if you live out there and work out there?
Just dropping a few friends off.
Oh, nice. Are they in the car?
Nope, just dropping a few friends off.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Cool.
So.
All right, miss. That's your information back. You gotta make sure you have your driver's license on you next time. Okay?
Thank you.
So let me explain the citation. So you're doing 30 over. There's no fine on here. However, it's a However, there's gonna be a mandatory court date. Okay? So you have to contact this number over here within.
Because and like I said, I was kind of confused because you said you live on the key, but you're driving your friends home, but there's no friends with you. So where are your friends?
No, I just dropped them off that way.
Oh, okay. And then you're gonna go turn around. Okay.
Within 10 days of today's date, and then once you show up to court, they give you the date. Then the judge will set the fine. Smoke signaling.
Yeah.
Do you have any medical issues, anything like that? You take insulin?
No.
Anything like that? No?
No.
I believe that you're impaired. That's just based on what I'm seeing, based on everything. I can smell alcohol in your breath. Also, what kind of medication do you take?
If you want me to hand you those documents. Oh, okay. You don't want to hand me those documents.
I do not.
Okay. Are you willing to perform field sobriety exercises? No?
So do you need somebody to come pick me up?
No, you're going to jail. That's what you're doing.
You're behind the back.
Dude, I'm not even literally resisting. You guys are
You're going to jail for DUI.
That is resisting.
After Jessica flatly refused field sobriety tests and fought officers during handcuffing, deputies discovered empty White Claw cans in her car, only for all charges of DUI and resisting arrest to be completely dismissed later due to a lack of evidence.
Resisting. Stop right there.
Do it right now. You understand me? You're gonna get hurt. Stop.
kidding me?
Stop.
Are you fucking what the?
Put your hands behind your back. Do it.
Kidding me?
Why don't you pull away, man?
Body cameras on you.
Yeah, we do.
Can you roll on your side?
I don't really want to have to yank you up by your arms, ma'am. Roll over your side, please.
Well, I have to pee.
Well, you can pee at the jail.
Yep.
Or right now.
No, you can do that too. That's not going to help your cause. And it's going to show you acting pretty ridiculous.
What? Ridiculous? How?
Like you were just resisting, like you were.
Okay. Well, what the?
Put your legs up underneath you. Roll over to your side. 27 cents, please. Be a big adult. Thank you.
Be a big adult.
Yes. All right.
Throw me down the.
Yeah. You resisted the police officer.
1,
How?
3.
Okay. We're not going to start. This is a people's court. You're going to get the
Patterson, the searcher. 1, 2, 3. All right, stand by. Yeah? Let me see. Stand by. And I'm a female searcher, okay?
Okay, I have to pee.
Well,
Well, what?
stop turning around on me.
Do I pull my pants down?
No, I don't.
That looks like overspray from being built.
Could be.
I mean, that's all overspray, so that's not.
Okay, so I have to pee.
Okay, well, there's a lot of bathrooms here, so you're going to have to wait.
Right, take a picture of that just in case we get a
Signal one.
later on, yeah.
A lot of stuff going on there, guys.
It's going through it, so that's too bad.
Yeah, I smoked it too.
Yeah, as soon as you, yeah, absolutely. And everything I saw,
So we got a little bit of cash. We just have to count and make sure.
we'll do it in front of each
Let's,
other.
Oh yeah. What's
okay,
that?
so I'm Sergeant Robert Gay. I'm a supervisor here. So,
yeah,
I saw. Yeah.
Probably have Patterson do the tow sheet for me. That way I can get out of here
Yep. So.
when she gets here.
Don't you for it?
No,
No.
do not. Light claw over there.
Yep.
Friendly at first.
Right. I was friendly the whole time.
I get it. I get it.
Let me
No,
take a picture.
but thank you.
Let me grab my camera just
Yep.
for that, for take a picture.
I get it. I get it.
I was friendly all the time where you resisted. Okay. When
I
you-
resisted.
Yes,
I'm
listen.
not resist. I'm
Okay,
a lawyer.
okay, you'll get a lawyer. You just call him up tomorrow.
Under my car.
Okay. Well, the definition
Whatever.
of
Off.
resisting is when you pull away from an officer. That's
I
resisting.
didn't pull
You
away.
know what? You can, and it's going to show you how you work, how you're acting.
yeah.
Okay.
Is that-
You can say what you want. The camera's going to show it, and then the camera's going to show your behavior right now. Okay. Okay. And it's going to show the White Claw bottles in there, the White Claw cans, the empty White Claw cans in there. So.
Yeah, you
Yep.
can let go of my.
I'm not gonna because you keep pulling it away every time, so.
Yep.
I'm not coming up with
Because
this.
I girlfriend's home.
I'm just gonna
Yep.
take some pictures.
No,
Here.
drunk.
So I can't trust you to stand here like an adult, like I said earlier.
Oh yeah. I'm an adult.
I didn't say
How old
that.
are you? 23. 24.
More. We got plenty of White Claw in here. We got 3 bottles of White Claw back, 3 cans.
Back here, cold to the touch.
I'm not going 24.
One. Again, she did say she was grabbing a friend, but I got a whole empty.
You can let go of my.
No, I will not, because you keep pulling away from me.
You. Can you hold on?
There's White Claw all in here.
I'm not holding you that hard. Okay,
You
stop.
are. Literally, you are.
Okay, well, when you're
Can
in
you hold on to the other one then? Because you're.
No.
Please.
well, then stop pulling away from me.
Okay, I have no feeling in that one.
Adult and you stand, you don't have to have a police officer hold you.
I am an adult.
You're not acting like one, so.
How's that?
Pulling away, fighting with us, driving drunk.
Dude.
Dude, what? And you think it's funny, that's great.
I think you're funny.
Well, thank you, appreciate it.
Hi, Jessica. I'm Deputy Patterson.
Central 227.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me? Okay.
Okay, you can let go of me.
I'm not gonna let go. I'm just telling you that right now.
You can let go of me.
I'm not
because
going
she's here.
to. No, I'm not.
Yeah. I just have a key.
Okay.
I'm not.
Dude,
Sorry.
you're hurting me.
I'm not.
Face the vehicle.
Relax.
All right.
So,
You don't have a bra on, Jessica?
so that's one here.
I'm a waitress.
Yeah, we just count the
We're
money.
just counting your money.
So which car's yours? This one?
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
In front of the camera.
We got to count it.
All right, 25, right? 58 bucks.
Thank you.
You need a light?
Yep.
But I gotta go to your purse first, make sure there's nothing.
Let me fix our shirt when you get a chance.
Do you guys understand? I can literally hear everything you're saying. You read.
Following the arrest on July 12, 2025, Jessica was transported to the Charlotte County Jail for formal booking and processing. Her late-night traffic stop for driving 86 miles per hour in a 55-mile-per-hour zone quickly turned into a physical encounter after she refused to perform roadside field sobriety exercises, prompting deputies to forcibly handcuff her as she actively resisted. During the post-arrest search of her vehicle, deputies uncovered multiple empty White Claw cans, which were initially entered into evidence alongside the officer's observations of impairment and the smell of alcohol. However, when the case proceeded through the legal system, the body camera footage and procedural record were subject to intense judicial review. Despite the tense physical struggle captured on camera and the charges of DUI and resisting an officer without violence, the prosecution ultimately determined that the legal threshold for proving physical impairment beyond a reasonable doubt could not be met. Consequently, both charges against Jessica were officially dismissed due to a lack of sufficient evidence. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.